Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add add-ons in a Google Slides presentation. First of all, you don't have to start with a blank page or anything. Let's just go with this one that I created just for this reason. Yeah, it's all the tryout. First of all, we have to go to the top corner where our options are and pick from add-ons option. And as you can see, the only viable option in here for now is get add-ons. So we click on get add-ons, and now this pop-up window will show us all the add-ons that we can use in our Google Slides presentation. It's completely up to you. You can go by anything you like, and if you know what you are looking for, you can search for apps in this top corner, and as you can see, there's numbers of people using it. There's a pop-up window with directly with which apps you can use it, Gmail for example, or Docs or Slides and so on. When you want to get it, I don't know, let's go with this first one. You will just install it. It's very easy. It will automatically give you what they proclaim they are giving or they're using. There's a forum section if you are not really convinced with this one. So let's go like this, and yeah, funny comments everywhere. Well, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.